In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your Google Sheets files into Excel files in just a few seconds. So if you wanted to convert your data, which is in the Google Sheets format, into the Excel format, this is how you can do it. So we're going to do that with a simple step of downloading this exact file into that format. So to download a file in Google Sheets, all you have to do would be to go to File here in the menu bar and select Download. On the right side, it will show you the different formats that you can download this file as. And one of those at the top, you'll see Microsoft Excel. So this file will be downloaded directly into your computer drive. If I click on this one, here you have it. I have my Downloads folder open where my files are usually saved whenever I try to download something from the internet. So here it will say the file name, then the file type at the bottom. So you'll know exactly what it will be downloaded as. And again, that's in the Microsoft Excel format. Just click on Save. And again, that would automatically be downloaded into your computer drive. And there you have it. And of course, you can also do this from Google Drive. So once you've opened your Google Drive and you've found the file that you want to convert into Excel, all you have to do is to go to the ellipsis on the top right corner where it will say More Actions. Then go to Download. That would automatically convert it into Excel. Here you have your computer drive. Again, it will tell you what file it will be downloaded as. And again, that's in the Excel format. Click on Save and you've done the same thing. You've quickly converted your Sheets file into the Excel format and saved it into your computer drive. And that's how easy it is. You can convert your Google Sheets files into the Microsoft Excel format in just a few seconds. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.